Hey friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and I'm here to guide you through a fun guitar improvisation workout. In this specially designed series called Just Play, we skip theory and learn through practical application, which is a very easy and effective way to improve quickly. Each time we choose a single specific improvisation skill to work on, and using SFS or the string fragment system, I help you using on-screen diagrams to practice it in every possible position on the fretboard. Today's Just Play practice track corresponds to lesson 4 from my free course called SFS Fretboard Secrets version 2.0. So if you don't have that course and you like what we do here and want to learn more, you can use the link below to sign up. In today's video, we're going to improvise using just 2 notes of the A minor pentatonic scale or the A blues scale. We're just using SF1, but I want you to pay special attention to the sound of these 2 notes against the background harmony and also experiment with sliding between them. I will now play you a quick example of how to explore this in all positions. Don't try to play with me right now, just watch, because in the drill you'll have the exact diagrams below to guide you through. Now your goal for now is to jump from A to A as effortlessly as possible and experiment with sliding and hearing how that first note, the root, sounds like home bass, while the other one has more energy and is more unstable. So 2 things: try to assimilate the sound and experiment with sliding. So let's start improvising by placing our system on string 6, but be on your toes because in less than a minute we'll move to another position. Alright, let's move to string 5. Okay, let's move to string 4. And now let's go to string 3. And let's try that 1 octave higher. Now let's go to string 2. And now string 1. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this drill. I will post similar fun practice tracks in multiple keys and on different lead guitar skills, which will give you a great workout, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to get my free course, SFS Fretboard Secrets, by clicking below. Enjoy your practice and be effective.